Additional. Choose the correct answer. 1. Flying shuttle helped A. To remove seed from cotton. B. To spin hundreds of threads simultaneously. C. To increase the speed of weaving. D. To use water power in the place of manpower. Answer C. To increase the speed of weaving. Henry Bessemer discovered a faster and cheaper method of producing steel in the year. Answer C. 1856. John Loudon McAdam became famous for roads. Louis Renault, who built the quadricycle, belonged to France. Harz Mountain were well known for iron. The two biggest automobile companies of today's France was stated in answer C 1891. Siemens, a well known company in Germany. Samuel Slater was a citizen of England. Robert Fulton established a steamboat service on the Hudson River. Fill in the blanks. Due to Industrial Revolution, goods began to be produced by machines. Division of labor came into practice due to factory system. A Scottish engineer, James Watt, converted a stationary steam engine to a rotary engine. The safety lamp of Sir Humphreys Davy was invented in 1815. The railways date back to 6th century BCE in Corinth, Greece. The Industrial Revolution made the life of laboring class miserable. The textile capital of the world was Manchester. In Prussia, Berlin became a center of the railroad network. Moses Brown was a leading Rhode Island industrialist. High Market Square is located in Chicago. Match the following: spinning wool, Samuel Crompton; Richard Arkwright, water frame; Cheshire, textile in factory; George Stephenson, steam locomotive; Robert Fulton, Clermont. Find out the correct statement. Goods began to be produced not by hand but by machines. The banking system in England was very weak. Employing human labor cost very low amount of money. Eli Whitney invested spinning wool. Answer A. 1 is correct. The cheapest method of producing iron was using coke produced from coal. Textile manufacture was at the heart of the Industrial Revolution. Before the Industrial Revolution, two types of mines existed: drift mines and bell pits. By 1830, the distance between Manchester and Liverpool could be covered in 4 hours. B. Second and third are correct. Assertion A. The weavers of Bengal suffered at the hands of the company's officials and their agents. Reason R. The British established their foothold in Bengal and looked its wealth. Answer D. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion A. Germany surpassed Great Britain and proved a competitor to the United States in Industrial Revolution. Reason R. Daimler and Benz became the most popular brands of automobiles in Germany and the world. Answer A. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Answer the following questions briefly. Explain the term Industrial Revolution. The latter half of the 18th century, major changes occurred in the method of production that changed the history of mankind. This profound transformation is described as the Industrial Revolution. How was Thomas Newcomer helpful for the British mine owners? In the 18th century, British mine owners were faced with the problem of water seeping into the mines. Water had to be removed to extract coal, so they employed laborers to pump the water out. Employing human labor cost a lot of money. It was at the juncture of the British engineer Thomas Newcomen invented a contrivance to pump the water out of mines. What was the contribution of James Watt? James Watt, a Scottish engineer, converted a stationary steam engine to a rotatory engine. It consumed less fuel. Mention about the factory centers. The newly invented machines enable factories to produce textile goods in large quantities. Derbyshire, Lancashire, Cheshire, Staffordshire, Nottinghamshire, and Yorkshire became the major factory centres. The most notable was Manchester, which had more than 50 miles in 1802. Why did coal mines become deeper and deeper? As industrialization gained pace, more and more coal was needed to fuel engine steam and furnaces. The development of factories by Arkwright and the improvement of the steam engine by James Watt further increased demand for coal. As a result, coal mines became deeper and deeper. When did the modern rail transport commence? Modern rail transport commenced with the British development of the steam locomotives in the early 19th century. The first railway line in England was opened between Stockton and Darlington in 1825. The next 40 years, 15,000 miles of railway network was completed. How does the Industrial Revolution affect the environment? The use of chemicals and fossil fuels that replaced wind, water, and firewood resulted in increased air and water pollution. The Industrial Revolution marked a major turning point in Earth's ecology and humans' relationship with the environment. Manchester became the textile capital of the world. Gave reasons. Manchester's cool climate was ideal for textile production. Further, it was situated close to the port of Liverpool and the coal fields of Lancashire. In 1771, Manchester was a sleepy town of 22,000 people. Over the next 50 years, its population exploded and reached 18,000. And therefore, Manchester became the textile capital of the world, drawing huge numbers of migrants to the city. When was the new ideology socialism born in Europe? While the peasants were pauperized and the working class suffered, the middle class became wealthy by investing capital in trade and industry. The governments of the day were influenced by them. All legislation safeguarded their interests. Laborers were not permitted to form trade unions. It was later these circumstances that socialism is a new ideology was born in Europe. What were the demands of the Chartism? Known as Chartism, this working class movement was active between 1836 and 1848. The Chartists called for voting rights to every man over 21 years of age, secret ballot voting, abolition of property qualification for members of the parliament, annual parliamentary elections, and equal representation. Write about the emergence of Germany in the industrial field. In 1871, Prussia finally united Germany. Germany emerged as the most industrialized country by the end of the 19th century. In chemicals, Germany excelled in the production of potassium salt, dyes, permaculture products, and synthetics. Companies like Bayer and Hoyes led the chemical industry of Germany. Germany became leader in automobile industry. Daimler and Benz became the most popular brands of automobiles in Germany and the world. What were the effects of industrialization revolution in England? Industrial revolution led to the expansion of trade, the production of more food, emergence of factory workers as a new class, the rise and growth of cities, resulting in rapid urbanization and organized working class movements, seeking voting rights and regulations of the service conditions. What about the new dynamics in politics? Define the term cartel. Cartel is an association of manufacturers or suppliers. It's the main purpose of maintaining prices at a higher level and of restricting competition. How did Germany surpass the home of the Industrial Revolution, Great Britain? In electrics, Germany offered companies like Siemens. In chemicals, Germany excelled in the production of potassium salt, dyes, permaculture products, and synthetics. Companies like Bayer and Hoyes led the chemical industry of Germany. Germany became a leader in the automobile industry. Daimler and Benz became the most popular brands of automobiles in Germany and the world. What was the role played by Andrew Carnegie in the field of steel? Andrew Carnegie established the first steel mills in the US for mass production. He acquired business interests in the mines that produced the raw materials for steel, the mills and movements that created the final product, and the railroad and shipping lines that transported goods. This controlled every aspect of the steel making process. Mentioned the causes of the growth of labor unions, the difficult working conditions in the factories, long hours of work, low wages, exploitations of women and children contributed to the growth of labor unions. Write about the Great Railroad Strike of 1887. After the Civil War, workers organized strikes in USA. One major strike was the Great railroad strike of 1877, wage cuts in the railroad industry. The context of prolonged economic depression led to the strike. It began in West Virginia and spread to these three additional states over a period of 45 days. It was crushed by a combination of vigilance, National Guardsmen, and Federal Army. Write in detail. Mention the main attributes of the Industrial Revolution. The main attributes to the Industrial Revolution were technological, socio-economic, the cultural. Use of new basic materials, iron and steel. Use of new energy source, coal, electricity, petroleum. Invention of new machines such as spinning, jenny, and the power loom that increase the production with a minimum expending of human energy. Emergence of a new organization known as the factory system, which entailed increased division of labor and specialization of work. Development in transportation and communication. Increasing application of science to industry. The use of new technology. The Industrial Revolution began in England first. Why? The Industrial Revolution began in England first because there are certain external factors. They were England had abundant resource and possessed colonies, with India being the brightest jewel in the British crown. Access to coal, iron, and raw cotton from the colonies. England possessed the good infrastructure for textiles developed by immigrant artisans and from the Netherlands. England became a development banking system, a growing entrepreneurial class, and potential investors. Encouragement of the Royal Society of England for scientific discoveries and inventions. Political stability of England to bestow its full attention to industrial growth. Mention the development in textiles that of Industrial Revolution in Great Britain. In 1773, John Kay invented the flying shuttle, which, when operated by hand, increased the speed of the weaving of cloth. In 1767, James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny, which spun 800s at once of the same time. Richard Arkwright invented the water frame, which used water power in the Palace of Manpower. In 1779, Samuel Crompton invented his spinning mule, which included a combination of both the spinning jenny and the water frame. It spun hundreds of threads simultaneously and produced 8 fine and coarse threads. Eli Whitney invented the cotton gin in 1793, removing the seed from the cotton. Textile manufacture was at the heart of the Industrial Revolution. Over a span of 50 years, the textile manufacturing industry in Britain witnessed a transformation in the method of production from handmade to handmade goods. The newly invented machines enabled factories to produce textile goods in large quantities. Derbyshire, Lancashire, Cheshire, Sandhurstshire, Nottinghamshire, and Yorkshire became the major factory centres. The more notable was Manchester, which had more than 50 mills in 1802. Unit test. Marks 25. Time 40 minutes. 1. Choose the correct answer. 1. Who established the first steamboat service? A. Arkwright. C. Robert Fulton. B. Samuel Crompton. D. James Watt. 2. Who invented the sewing machine? A. Elias Howe. B. Eli Whitney. C. Samuel Crompton. D. Embry Davy. Who produced the first batch of automobiles in France? A. Louis Renault. B. Armand Peugeot. C. Thomas Alva Edison. C. Mac Adam. Which family introduced steam engine in France? D. Wendell, the Hindle, the Armand, the Renault. Samuel Slater was citizen of A. USA, B. England, C. Sweden, D. Germany. A, B, C, D. Fill in the blanks. Second one, இது வந்து 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into, change the way roads were built around the road world dash. Dash discovered a faster and cheaper method of production of steel. The first railroad line started in Germany was in the year dash. Dash advocated scientific socialism. Moses Brown was a leading dash industrialist. Match the following: safety lamp, Lancashire, Coalfield, Germany, quadricycle, Humphrey Davy, Benz, Louis Renault. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Find out the correct statement. Trade unions were formed by laborers to get their rights. Germany's political setup was the most significant challenge for the Industrial Revolution. The British capitalist Karl Marx advocated socialism. They were no natural resource in Germany. 1 is correct. Second and third are correct. 1 and 4th are correct. Second is correct. Assertion A. Slater was called the father of the American Industrial Revolution. Reason R. His spinning textile mills was duplicated and his techniques became popular. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. B. A is wrong and R is the correct explanation of A. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. Both A and R are correct. Answer the following briefly. It is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. What was the condition of laborers' houses during Industrial Revolution? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Highlight any two important results of the Industrial Revolution. Answer the following in detail. Either fifth one, sixth one. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. What were the effects of Industrial Revolution of England on India? Answer key. 1. Option C. Robert Fulton. 2. Option A. Elias Howe. 3. Option B. Armand Futel. Option B. 4. A. Devendal. Option 5. B. England. 1. John Loudon McAdam. Henry Bessemer. December 1835. Karl Marx. Rhode Island. 1 through 1, 3, 4, 4, 1. 1. D. Second is correct. 2. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A.